Hello guys and welcome. In today's video, let's turn all the bug settings which are turned on your PC without your notice. And due to these settings turned on automatically, it's making your PC running slow and lags behind anytime you try performing tasks on the computer. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Click on your start menu and go to the settings, or press Windows key plus I to open the computer settings. Like this, click on this and go to your computer settings. On the computer settings, click on privacy. Now go to privacy tab and click on general. Turn off all settings under the general. Next is click on the speech tab and turn it off too. Move down and click inking and typing, also turn off all settings under it. Apply the same to all other tabs under the privacy settings, but if you are using your camera or the microphone, you can leave that on to have access while recording or making a video call through other means. When done turning off all the settings, restart the computer for all these settings to take effect. But if you want any of the options to be working back again when in need, just go back to the privacy settings. Just go back to the privacy settings and turn them back on again. Turn them back and turn them back on again. So that is it, guys. Hope this video helps you and now your PC is running and working fast as compared to its previous state. Please like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. But if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and see you in the next one. Peace.